Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon and how they have finally changed their unlocking policy, guys. So as you know, on this channel, we do talk a lot about how to unlock devices, because not everybody wants to be locked in. But it looks like Verizon did have, I believe, a 60-day window where after 60 days the phone would get unlocked, even if the phone was not paid off. Well, it looks like finally that rule has been reverted back to the old way. So now it requires 365 days of paid service before it will unlock, or basically once the device gets fully paid off. Which I'll give you my honest opinion, since I've been doing phones for such a long time, of if this is good or bad and why. But let's get into it, guys. And let's look at this article and we'll talk about it in just a sec. So there we go. I had to make it a little closer because it was kind of far away. So let's take a look. So it says Verizon has started enforcing a 365-day lock period on phones purchased through its TracFone division 1 week after the Federal Communications Commission waived a requirement that Verizon unlock handsets 60 days after they are activated on its network. So remember, anything that was on Verizon's network or that used Verizon's network, after 60 days, it would unlock automatically, even if the device was not paid off yet. So that was one thing that, I could see it because it was leading to a lot of fraud. So Verizon was previously required to unlock phones automatically after 60 days due to restrictions imposed on its Spectrum license and merge conditions that helped Verizon obtain approval of its purchase of TracFone. So TracFone's pretty well known in the prepaid sector. Says, but an update applied today to the TracFone unlocking policy said new phones will be locked for at least a year, and that each customer will have to request an unlock instead of getting it automatically. Wow. So like I said, this applies to TracFone unlocking policy. So basically it says new phones will be locked for at least a year. This is on the prepaid section of it. So anything that's on the prepaid will be after a year of continuous paid. So once the device is fully completed the full year, you do still have to request to get it unlocked. It will not automatically unlock, which kind of sucks. I don't like that. But it says the new TracFone policy is basically a return to the year-long lock-in it imposed before Verizon bought the company in 2021. TracFone first agreed to provide unlocking in a 2015 settlement with the Obama-era FCC, which alleged that TracFone failed to comply with a commitment to unlock phones for customers enrolled in Lifeline subsidy program. That was the TracFone, or the Obama phone that they called. TracFone later shortened the lock period from a year to 60 days as a condition of the Verizon merger. Now, of course, it says while a locked phone is tied to the network of one carrier, an unlocked phone can be switched to any carrier really that device is compatible with, which is pretty cool. That's so, like, let's say you bought an iPhone and you're with T-Mobile, and after let's say you have it, it's paid off. You can then use that same phone on another network like AT&T or Verizon without having to purchase another device, or even go on prepaid, which is good. You can go on any carrier. But once it's locked, it will only work on, let's say you bought it from T-Mobile, only T-Mobile, or Verizon if you bought it from Verizon. So yeah. So it says, but the new TracFone unlocking policy is stringent, requiring customers to pay for a full year of service before they can get a phone unlocked. For all cell phones activated on or after January 20th, 2026. So that's if any phone sold 2 days from making this video. The policy says a customer who doesn't maintain an active service plan for the whole 12 months will thus have their unlocking eligibility date delayed. Wow. So it has to be active for full 12 months straight, guys. If you miss, a month here or there, that might push, you might need another month, because it says you need 12 active months. It says, besides TracFone, the changes apply to prepaid brands, Straight Talk, Net 10 Wireless, Clearwave, Total Wireless, Simple Mobile, SafeLink Wireless, and Walmart Family Mobile. Customers who bought phones before today are still eligible for unlocking after 60 days. So if you bought your phone before January 2026, you can unlock it after 60 days. If you bought it after January 2026, which would be now, and so on, you will have to wait the full 65 days, so the whole year, you know what I mean? So wow. So yeah, guys, what do you think about this? It looks like Verizon's prepaid sector does require now 365 days of paid service. So anything that's even on the prepaid sector, guys. So Verizon Prepaid, this has to do with anything prepaid. TracFone, Straight Talk, like I said, the ones that I let you know, those phones will be locked to the carrier for at least the full year. So wow. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this something good? I think on the prepaid sector, I mean, I kind of get it because Verizon and other prepaid carriers will give you a discount or subsidy on the phone if you get on prepaid service. So, you know, they really don't make too much money if they're giving you a phone for free or a discount rate, because let's say you only kept that phone for 2-3 months and you got that phone for free, they would be losing out money, you know. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos come your way. Draconic Warfare signing off. Check out the description below if you want to support the channel so I can keep making these videos. Been super busy, guys, but I'm back on the grind, so stay tuned for more.